Hello everyone, how to do it? I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to make someone admin for your Facebook page. So it's really simple. First of all, you need to open your account, then log in your then switch on your page. That page you're going to add someone as admin. Then tap here, you can see it's a profile icon, and scroll down, then you can see here the option settings and privacy. Okay, simply tap on the settings and privacy and tap on the settings option. uh, then you can see here, scroll down again, then you can see here page setup. So this one, page setup, simply tap page setup and simply tap here the page access. So now you can tap here add new and tap next. Then you need to find the username, like you have to search that person you're going to add as admin for your page. So choose this one, and you can get here allow this person to also have full control. And if you don't want to give full control, then you can give content, message and call, community activity, ads, and inside that person can check it. And simply tap on the give accesses. Then once that person accept your invitation, then that person will be added as admin for your page. So today's no more, and see you the next video.